Here's how to make delicious protein pancakes in minutes
using the Bomb Protein Pancakes.
If you're making your pancakes with egg, the first step is to crack an egg into a bowl. Then you can add in 1 1/3 cups of your choice of milk, and then 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and whisk it all up.
Now you're going to add the Bomb Protein pancake mix into a bowl.
Add in the wet mix and whisk it until combined.
The batter should look like this.
Now set a small burner to low heat and oil your pan. Add 2 tablespoons of the pancake mixture in and spread it out nice and evenly.
Now cook it slow on low heat for best results.
Once bubbles start to form, you can flip it over, and this is how many you can make from 1 packet.
So you can fry them up how you usually do, or if you want to get our handy pancake mold, you can batch make 7 in one go.
Just oil up your pan and pop on the mold and add in 1 tablespoon of pancake mixture into each hole, and once bubbles start to form, you can flip it.
Now add on your favourite toppings and enjoy.